How to pick the best excavator for the job, Part 1. It's time to double check that you have all of the necessary equipment once you've landed a new job thanks to a successful bid. Excavators are one of the most popular types of construction equipment that organizations require to finish new work. However, with so many options, choosing the correct excavator can be a difficult task. Thankfully, this tutorial will teach you how to select an excavator that suits your individual requirements. Match your excavator to your job specifications, the work to be completed, and the job site itself. Make certain you have all of the feature support you'll require for future tasks. It's ideal to choose a savvy partner you can rely on to deliver the proper equipment and any parts you'll need for future repairs and updates. Your construction supply firm should meet all of the following criteria and give you confidence in your decision. Perform to your expectations. Your excavator must complete the job, and this is the most important factor to consider when selecting the proper excavator. Examine the hydraulic systems and testing options for your next excavator to ensure you have enough power for your job. Many people will talk about how powerful their system is and how much work they can get done in a full workday because of it. Because you're matching the power you need, more powerful hydraulic systems allow you to boost your efficiency and productivity. Performance also includes the best support for your task. When making your decision, think about all of the jobs your excavator will have to do. Zero tail swing and zero house swing features for your excavator are two main support alternatives to consider. These setups enable your operator to safely work near dig sites, walls, and other barriers. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.